To wire the paper flowers, it's actually a very easy process. You'll need the flower that you're going to wire, floral tape, and some form of a floral wire, or just plain wire is fine too. So what you're going to do is, first of all, make sure that you have your hole. You might have to widen it a little bit on these flowers. And then you're going to take a glue gun and you're going to add a little bit of glue. I'm going to add just a little bit of glue right on this. And then stick that right there, just to hold it in place. Give it a second to dry. And then you can decide how long you want your rose. And then you're going to need wire clippers to cut off the remaining wire. Okay, so that's steady now. You're going to take your floral tape, and floral tape has a waxy material on it that kind of begins to hold and melt just with the heat of your hand. So what you do is you're going to start it, right here, and make sure you go around on itself to hold it in place. And then you're going to stretch and twist. Stretch and twist. See, I'm twisting with one hand of the flower and I'm holding the floral tape with the other, and it goes on very, very quickly. And then go ahead and cut. And then I just take the extra and kind of wind it back on itself, like so. Just hold it for a second and everything should hold in place. And there you have it. Now if you want to add leaves or whatever, go ahead and create your leaf, and then you're going to glue the wire on. And usually I just use the leftover pieces of wire I have from my flowers. And then you would just go ahead, add your floral tape onto here, and then bend it the way you'd like so. And then take your tape once again, and you're just going to twist just like you did before, and now your leaf is attached. And because the leaf is on wire itself, it'll allow you to manipulate that as well into the exact position and shape you want. Just like so. And there you have a rose that's ready for either a bouquet or a vase, whatever you'd like.